Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to buy credits in Openrouter AI. So let's get started. First Google Openrouter, click on the first link and make sure that you are signing in by creating an account. That's the first step. And once you sign in, you'll be having this 3 lines icon on the top. Hover over it and you'll be having this credits option. Click that and here we will be having the option to add credits. Click it and just give your full name, country or region and your address line. Once you update your address, you will be taken to an interface where you can add your payment details. So here we are having 3 ways. One is card, Amazon Pay and Cash App Pay. So this will basically save our payment details and Openrouter will just charge from that account. And in case if you just want to pay for one time, like do a one-time credit purchase, you can just toggle this. And at the top you will be having the number of credits you want to purchase for one time, and here also we are having multiple payment options. So it's up to you if you want to use one time purchase of credits or just lock in your payment method and Openrouter will just deduct money from it based upon your usage. And I got credits worth $6, and after you complete the purchase it will get displayed in your interface the next second. It's so fast, and you will also be charged an addition of 80 cents. So I paid around $6.80 for this. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.